Briefing time.
Briefing, we have 3 sections of the day. I'm going to explain about the itinerary for today and tomorrow. The second is a safety briefing. It is a practice, but we practice outside. But since the weather is not so today, I'll show you a simple practice. We'll do a demo about the aim on the real Ferrata tomorrow. My name is Henry. So I will be one of your guides tomorrow, your trainer, to bring you to do the Via Ferrata only. For today, you've done 6 kilometers of your journey of Kinabalu. Tomorrow morning, you only have 2.8 plus kilometers to the summit from this building. Usually, you all will leave this building at 2:30. Half an hour before you go up to the summit, you need to wake up. So 2 o'clock or 1:50 at the start, breakfast will be served just on this table here.
Okay.
Just chill here. About your itinerary tomorrow, Via Ferrata you will do after the summit. 2 Via Ferrata trail up here. Yeah? Walk the top, the green line here, the short one. And the orange line is our Via Ferrata Lost Peak Circuit, the long Via Ferrata. We have 28 people who are staying in this building today. Most of you will do the short Via Ferrata.
Quite good. Lao Liao go the shorter one.
All 6 person will do the Lost Peak Circuit tomorrow.
Wow, 6 of them is all here.
Oh, 6 here.
Wow.
Lai Kok Hing, Jet Kun Sen.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, not him.
Lim Po Ping, Chiu Wei Kan, Yong Chi Hyung,
Yeah.
Go Yi Wei. So the rest will do the walk the talk.
Okay, okay.
2 to 3 hours to reach at the highest point. 600 meters from this building to still walking in the jungle. Similar like last 500 meters before you reach here. After the jungle, all the way up to the summit will be an open area. It's a rock face. The park that provide you a big white rope for your safety line or your guideline to the summit tomorrow. 200 meters from the beginning of the white rope section, that part is a danger zone. You need to always hold on to the rope. That is the steepest part in this mountain and try to exit that area as fast as you can. It's a rock fall area. You will pass the last checkpoint around 3:30 something to show the park officer there your climbing permit at the top. At the last checkpoint, you will have a last toilet. After the last checkpoint, there is no more toilet, there is no more water point, there is a water.
The toilet got toilet paper, no?
No toilet.
Water.
After the last checkpoint, all the way up to the summit is gonna be like far and wide. It's too foggy. You only can see like a few meters. So that's why you need to stick with the white rope. Just try to reach at the summit earlier than the normal climbers. So remember, 6:15 lessons for the walk the talk. You start descent from the summit. So like 1 hour to be at the last checkpoint. Before 6, you have to start descent from the summit for the Lost Peak Circuit. Okay, for this route, walk the talk. It's only 390 meters.
Wah, selesai dah. Ayya, angkat handuk lah. Angkat handuk.
Easy.
But normally, people will do this in 1 to 2 hours. You on the cliff, you attach with the safety line. Mostly the path is like 60 to 75 degree lah. If you have no experience, you have scared of height, that is not a big problem. The thing is, you still good and fit enough to do it.
If halfway, you want to U-turn, can U-turn or not?
Okay, just start like 10-15 meters. You still can go back. For the walk the talk, remember, starting and ending at the same point. You have 2 highlights. First is what we call a monkey bridge. 2-wire bridge.
You can go lah.
Only like 5-6 meters.
Oh, 5 meters. No problem.
5-6. Second highlight will be 10 meter hanging ladder. It's like a helicopter ladder. It's like 90 degree and you need to climb. For the Lost Peak Circuit, it's our Via Ferrata intermediate route. Yeah? The length of this route is about 1.2 kilometers. It's a holder of the world highest Via Ferrata. And average climbers 4 to 6 hours.
Wow.
Okay, for this route,
Our group is us.
it's also divided into 3 parts. Yeah? First part here is a 600 meter of vertical. A few highlights. First is the height. Second is suspension bridge or swinging bridge. That one. No. Then it will swing. But if you walk slowly, it's move a bit. If it's blown by wind, it's a bit. But normally people will check it together.
Yes.
After you cross that, you have another bridge, a 3-wire bridge, or the Nepalese bridge, 2 cable for your hand, but something only 1 cable down there for your feet. Second part of Lost Peak Circuit is a mini jungle.
300.
300 meter. They say that the jungle part here is the second hardest
Why is it?
stuff because sometimes you need to go under over the tree and we didn't provide a proper trail.
It's okay, we are expert on that.
If you are used with the jungle trek,
Right.
I'm sure you will.
你 bring parang, you bring parang.
There's some weakness over here,
You bring parang, you go.
And the last part is another Via Ferrata 300 meter going up. So people say that is the hardest part.
For
That-
more energy.
After you done Via Ferrata, we go to the summit trail and take to this building. It will take another half an hour to 45 minutes. And when you get back here, you can have your second breakfast. Before you go up to the summit, if the weather like this and the gate up there is closed, the ranger closed that gate, that means all the activity in this mountain is cancelled. You go up to the summit, still okay, but on the way down, suddenly raining. For those of you who do the Lost Peak Circle, meet us at the last checkpoint, at saya. Okay, and we will be there if it's raining. We are in the middle of the Via Ferrata. We have no choice. We have to proceed in the rain. Yeah.
买山溪啊，買山溪啊啲啊，點解？